Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We are heading to Nashville this morning and I had this pretty cool idea. We're stopping in, I think, six states, and I had this idea to grab rock or stone or soil or mulch or something from every state, and then if I find a plant at a plant shop at any one of these states, I can plant it in that soil, or I can just add it to add stone as like a decorative topping on a few of my plants back home. So I'm curious to see what people think about that. There are some stones over here, so I'm gonna pick some up. So these are kind of light, and I thought that they would be kind of cool. Next up, coffee. I mean, it's a necessity, right? So there's a Starbucks right across from our hotel. Winning! Hello?
So sorry about your wait. What can I get started for?
Oh, that's okay. Can I have a venti iced soy caramel macchiato? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Coffee? Check. So we just packed up the car, minus a few things. Someone's still a little sleepy. And we are going to get on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. He doesn't like my singing. Oh my god, she's so cute. We stopped in Munfordville, Kentucky. Yeehaw! I don't know why I keep doing that. Maybe I'm a cowgirl at heart. It's in my blood. We're gonna take a picture in front of this photo booth here, because you know us photographers need to take advantage of photo ops. I mean, you don't see this every day. Listen, kids, back in the day, when I was a kid, we made it. We're in Nashville at our Airbnb, which is super cute. This is the living room. They're from New Orleans, so it's kind of cool that we're heading there and they decorated it to match the style of it. How cool is that? You gonna cook? You cook us dinner? No, that's my beef jerky. This is the kitchen. It's got a cute little feel. How cute. Hey, what kind of ivy is this? Just regular ivy? So pretty. Look at this moss. Oh my gosh. We're taking a little hike. Sorry, it's a little muddy. And there's this really cute park called Lockland Park in Nashville. But it rained a lot the past couple of days, so it's kind of underwater, which is a bummer. But I'll insert a quick little clip here of what we saw. Lots of spring blooms here, guys. Look at daffodils. Wow. Yeah. Houses in the south are colorful. Ooh. So it's nighttime, guys, and I was just sitting here looking at this planter. Look at how cool this is. You think they'll let me take it? The detail.
Order.
What?
You always planning to take something of somebody's.
Hey, cuttings are takeable, alright? So I found the cutest propagation vessels. Am I right? Yay, found one! I want to walk out with this.
I like the leaves.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look big. Don't you have? Oh, that's awesome. Look at this little guy.
Not sure what this is.
Smaller version of that. Yeah.
Look at this leaf. Yeah, I want a tiny one.
Like this.
No, I don't think so. We had some like ones like in that pink pot down there.
Oh yeah.
So we just visited Flower Shop in East Nashville. Oh my gosh, I love this shop. And I walked out with a variegated Monstera leaf. It's just a leaf. It doesn't have a node, it's not rooted, but it's huge. And I'm just gonna make it live in water forever. And I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna look at it every day and love it. One more look at her. This is such an old leaf. Look at all these splits. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. Guys, look at that variegation. I'm in the jungle. So does anyone know if this guy will sprout roots? No, right? Because it is, there's no node. The girl in the shop was like, I don't know if it will. And I was like, I don't think so. But I'm totally okay with this living in water. I mean, that's my hand. I'm totally obsessed with that leaf. It might be my favorite. So later tonight we're gonna head to downtown Nashville and take a few pictures and maybe look for another flower plant shop. I don't know. Downtown Nashville. We're heading over there. Yay! Honky tonk. At a place? Huh. All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that little tiny clip from downtown Nashville. We did not run into any flower shops in downtown Nashville on Broadway, which, I mean, I guess I should have known better. Definitely all bars, super fun. But tomorrow we are heading to Birmingham, Alabama, and I don't know if there's any plant shops down there, but I'll definitely check it out. So you might get a video from Birmingham, or we might just skip right into New Orleans, depending on what we find down there. I don't want to bore you guys too much with this road trip. But in the end of the day, I found this. Thanks, guys, for joining us on this part 2 vlog from our road trip on plant searching. And I can't wait to do our next one. If you guys like these kinds of videos, be sure to give them a thumbs up. If you don't, give them a thumbs down so I know. If you guys are ever in the area, make sure you check out Flower Shop in East Nashville. Super cool spot. Loved it. And the staff there was phenomenal. All right, guys, thanks. See you in the next one.